What is up, everybody? It is me, Channel World 101, and I got a new skin, but I'll still sometimes use the other ones. Maybe in the survival series. Yeah, in the survival series, and also when I play with other people. Okay. So now I just want to show you something really cool that I found. There's a lot of things on the floor. It's a spawn pig trick. Right? You keep on spawning pigs. You spawn so many pigs. You spawn so many pigs. And when you touch them, ding! It pops. It just like pops. Really cool trick. So yeah, that's basically it. But guess what? You know what happened? You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna do something. And I'm gonna make... Where's the saddle? Where's the saddle? Where's the saddle? Oh, there's a saddle. Alright. Where are my pigs? Oh. Come back here, pigs. Alright. Hey, you want a stick? Yeah. Alright, you going my way, okay? You going my way. Go another way. You died there. Boost. Oh gosh! Alright, let's get off this. Yeah. You don't deserve a treat. You don't deserve a treat. Well, let's put a lot of pigs on. Right. There's just one pig, right? It's really hard to do this, okay, guys? Oh gosh. Alright, put it gently. Put it gently. Oh my gosh, put it gently. Put it gently. Put it gently. Put it gently. Oh my gosh, alright. Put it gently. It's gonna get night. Alright, I found a good place. Put it really gently. Keep on doing it. Oh! I accidentally hit it. You're still alive. No, you're not. Alright. Hey guys, I think it's getting dark. Be right back, guys. Okay, put it there. There. Now, put it there. Now, let's see. Turn around. Alright, good. Okay. Now, I think it was right here. No, it was like right here. It was like right here. Alright, it's higher. Gosh. Right here. Keep on pressing it. Keep on pressing it. Don't stop. Oh! Yeah. Alright, I did stop. So, guys, that's not the end of the video. Alright. Let's build something. So, I'm going to teach you how to build a creeper. Alright. So, first, we're going to need a creeper head. Creeper head, you put it down. Right now, we put a creeper head down. So, boom. Should be like that. Right? And then I'll do it when it's done. Okay, guys? And one right there, and we're done. Yeah. Tell me in the comments below if that looks like a creeper. Okay? Compared to these creepers. Right? Tell me in the comments below. What up? Didn't take that long to build, actually. I didn't, like, show me building it, because it would take up, like, the entire build, like, the entire video. So, yeah. Like, it's like 15 minutes to build this thing. So, yeah. I just paused the video. Right. So, now we can do pig stuff. I wish they had like a pig these, like, you know, it has like a pig zombie. I wish it had a pig, like, and it has a pig Steve, but it doesn't have a pig like head. That's so unfair. I wish there was like a pig mod. I tried the pig mod, it didn't work. Come on, pig. Let's go. Pig! Pig! Yeah. I'm gonna get, pig. Here, pig. Stay there, pig. Okay? You know, not TNT. It's pig day! Let's get something better. Okay. It's pig day. Now, pig, I want you to introduce someone, okay? His name is, okay, let's get him out. Let's get him out. Let's get him out of the town. Okay. Pig, oh, there. Pig, this is, poop. Wait. Tell me if this looks like a piece of poop just sticked onto a stick. Tell me if that. You want a stick battle? You got a stick battle. Take this, pig. Yeah. Damn. Give me a stick. Give me a stick. Give me a stick. Yeah, be right back, guys. Alright, I just had to do something. And wait. Oh yeah. Okay. Right. Take this stick. I mean, pig. Yeah. Dumb stick doesn't do anything. Right. Put a chest there for some reason. Now, I should put TNT on the back, but I didn't really feel like it. So instead, I'm gonna do a big explosion goodbye. Alright? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye! Uh-oh. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna give you big TNT explosion, okay? Right? So, I'm gonna do it. Alright, so bam, bam. Now, everybody, I just want to say, I love Minecraft, and also, good